Hello, welcome back. It is time to put all the new wheels on the E36. And I gotta tell you, after seeing like the first wheel mounted on the car, we got so excited that we decided that the car should get coilovers basically immediately. So we're gonna order coilovers very soon. We're gonna finish the spoiler very soon as well. So that means that from the outside, the car will look extremely decent already. So yeah, let's put all the wheels on here to get an even better look on how it's gonna look. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. So the one on the other side came loose extremely difficultly, so I thought it was gonna be the same on this side, but yeah, that was a bit of a fail. Yep, that's pretty cool, alright. I'll do the rear two wheels and then we'll take a look at the car outside in full. On the last wheel I actually found out that the center caps of our original wheels fit the Sparco wheels, so that's pretty cool. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like it better with these BMW logos as center caps, or do you like it better with the original center caps that say, or that have the Sparco logo on them? I think both are very good in their own right. Obviously they aren't original BMW wheels, they're aftermarket Sparco ones. But yeah, I think we'll definitely keep the center caps and then we can switch styles if you want to. But yeah, let me know what you think. Yeah, this gives a pretty good idea of what this car will look like. I think the wheels will be even better in white, to be honest, especially in white with the BMW logos. It will look incredibly well, or it will look incredibly cool. But yeah, this is also pretty much exactly what we wanted to go with. So I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Again, 450 euros for the wheels and pretty decent tires, all Michelin tires. I don't think that's too bad, especially from this side. If you look at it from that angle, it looks pretty damn cool. But again, the car is, like, if you listen closely, the car is screaming for a lowering kit, a coilover kit. Something else that made the car look really mean from the outside is the spoiler. The last time I was here, I put on some filler in all the holes and the gaps that I thought were too harsh to work away with just some primer. So let's sand this down and make it look, or make it ready for the final layer of paint, which is the actual color of the car, Alpine Wise 2. Cue the time lapse. I've been sanding down the spoiler parts for the last couple of hours to get them as perfect as I possibly could. And I think it's a good idea to put on a last layer of primer before putting on the actual color, just to make sure everything is secure, to make sure everything is smooth. So yeah, let's put on the last layer of primer and then we can sand it down again and then we can put on the actual color. I'm going to apply a first layer of Alpine Wise 2. I water down everything here to make sure no dust is kicking up from me walking around, because this is a pretty important layer right here. So first layer is on. The first like can top spray part that I was using was creating quite a lot of droplets, so I don't think the result is going to be perfect. I started using this one, which went a little bit better. To be fair though, if you're gonna paint some major parts of your car, just go to a specialist. It's really not worth the trouble going through all of this yourself, and the paint that you're buying is pretty expensive as well. So yeah. For this thing, I think it'll be fine. It's just a spoiler. We can change it quickly if we want to. But for any major body parts, like a full body kit or whatever, go to a specialist and get it perfect, because you're gonna regret doing it with rattle cans if you think about doing it with rattle cans. I've been at this for like 5 hours now, and this is basically the result. I think from this angle with the wheels and even stock suspension and the spoiler, the car looks freaking fantastic, but I don't know if the spoiler actually has the right color. I think you can see that there is still a bit of a color difference between the car and the spoiler, even though both of them are supposed to be Alpine Wise 2. We do have a can of clear coat as well. Maybe if we put on clear coat, the color shine or whatever will change and it will match up with the car better. But at the moment the result isn't really bad, but I wouldn't call it good either. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it brings when we put on a layer of clear coat. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. I've been here for a very long time, and I'm not really sure if I'm happy with that. So yeah, we'll put on the layer of clear coat in the next video and just see what the end result actually is. But yeah, I'm not sure. I'm definitely more happy with how the wheels came out than the spoiler. So yeah, we'll use it anyway, and if we need to change it at a later point, we'll do that anyway. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.